Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain you how to book window seat in flight in Qatar Airways. Now as you can see, if you fly economy, comfort or economy, you can select a standard seat from the moment you book your flight. But if you want a preferred seat, so you're gonna have to basically book your flight in business comfort or business elite, and you can select a preferred seat from the moment you book your flight. So basically when you go to their official website and book your flight, after you go and choose the baggage and stuff like this, you're gonna have the option to choose your seat. Now if I'm not wrong, in economy basically you can select the seat, but you're gonna have to pay more for that. So basically that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.